Assalamu alaikum PG class. How are you? I hope you will be fine and happy. Respected parents, on English rough notebook, you have to write A to H for reading purpose. A to H like this. PG class, आपने रीडिंग करनी है A to H. Okay, let's start the reading. You have to repeat after me. Which letter is this? A. You have to say A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H. Very good. One time again. Say A, B. What comes after B? C, D, E. What comes after E? F, G, H. Very good. PG class, thank you so much. Allah Hafiz.